Are you planning on serving brunch this holiday season? I'm here to show you how to use the Wilton Gold Muffin Top Pan to create a wonderful spread of goods for your brunch table. First thing is our basic muffin mix. I made blueberry, chocolate chip, and walnut, but you can get creative and make your own. It has the perfect dome for your muffin. I made some Bloody Mary muffins, super savory, spicy, and we serve it with a pimento olive butter. A fluffy set of pancakes with some maple butter. My favorite chocolate chip cookies that are deep dish, fudgy, and crispy on the outside. And I'm going to show you the perfect way to poach eggs in the oven. Start by pouring about a half a tablespoon of water in each of the cavities. Then crack your eggs, and you can place it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your level of doneness. Grab a slotted spoon and pull out your eggs and enjoy. And now you have a perfectly poached group of eggs, perfect for your Eggs Benedict spread or sandwiches. So pick up a muffin top pan today and get baking.